How to enable WhatsApp auto reply. You will need to use WhatsApp Business in order to enable auto reply because the regular WhatsApp app does not support auto reply features. So first of all, open the WhatsApp Business app or a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once in there, all you have to do is tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings section. So the method is same in Android and iPhone. Then all you have to do is tap on the business tools from the settings. Then tap on the away message inside the business tool. Now all you have to do is toggle send away message on. Then tap the message to customize. Once you tap on it or once you enable it, you will get to see message option available there. You can simply customize it according to your preferences, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.